Hi everybody, I am Prasad. Now our topic is sorting algorithm. This is one of the important topic. This is also called as sorting technique. Sorting means, I will show you with a cursor. Sorting means arranging elements either in ascending order or in descending order. Ascending order means increasing order, small to big. Descending order means decreasing order, big to small. Second point, with the black pen I wrote, with a cursor I am showing, a sorting algorithm is used to rearrange a given array or a list of elements. For example, taken 2, 1, 4, 3 unsorted array. This has sorted 1, 2, 3, 4. Array sorted in ascending order, increasing order, 1, 2, small to big. Here 4, 3, 2, 1, same this values sorted again here. Array sorted in descending order means big to small, right? Different sorting algorithms techniques are bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort, merge sort, quick sort, count sort, and so many sorting techniques we have. Radix sort, bucket sort, heap means collecting all the elements, shell sort. Out of this, in our syllabus, three are given: bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort. Now we go with the bubble sorting algorithm and technique. Bubble sort means very simple. In MSET you will bubble the numbers, no, same like that. We will bubble the elements, numbers, and we will be sorting it. Bubble sort and C is a straightforward sorting algorithm that checks and interchange the element if they are not in intended order. If it is not in increasing or decreasing order, we will swap it. Very simple. With black pen, it compares two adjacent element, side by side element, to find which one is greater or lesser according to the swapping type, and switch them based on the given condition, whether it is increasing or decreasing, ascending order or descending order, until the final place of the element is found. Bubble sort. For example, a small example is taken: 8, 5, 2, 6, 12 or numbers have taken. We'll compare 8 and 5. If you are we need to arrange in ascending order, small to big, increasing order. 8 to 5. 8 is smaller, so it will be swapped. 5, 8, 2, 6, 12. Here the explanation is given. Sort the first element and compare it with the adjacent. Adjacent means side element. 8 is greater than, see, I will write here. 8 is greater than 5. So swap, interchange. Swap means interchange. See here, this means interchanging the elements. Same thing I wrote in the next here. Blue color explanation is there. You pause the video and you note down. See, whenever you are watching my videos here with the earphones, and keep a rough notes and pen, write it points, and if you have any doubts, I will provide my mobile number, and call me or ping me, WhatsApp me also at any time. 5, 8, 2. Now 8 and 2 is compared, it will be swapped again. See here. And 8 and 6 is compared, 6 is swapped to 8, 8 is swapped at 6th place. And 8 and 12 are compared. This 8 is smaller than 12, so it will be as it is. Compare 4th and 5th element. 8 is less than 12, so you need not swap. See here. Need not swap because that is already in order. So 5, 2, 6, 8, 12. This is one step only, one iteration of the loop. Even here also not sorted as accordingly. Result after iteration, first iteration, it will be repeated. So from first onwards it will be repeated. So finally it will be sorted. See here, 2, 5, 6, 8, 12. Now after all iterations, finally we got this. This is ascending order, small to big. Increasing order, it is sorted. That is right, one sorting technique, bubble sort, right? Very important For this there is a algorithm also there. If it is given for SMS question, write completely bubble sort algorithm. Very simple. Algorithm means a step by step English representation of the program is called an algorithm. Step 1 start, step 2 procedure bubble sort. A array variable name, list of the sorted numbers. The numbers will be taken here. Do means repeat. New n equal to 0. First element should be taken as 0. New means new element. The variable is n equal to 0. Right? For I equal to 0, I is less than n minus 1 because n is taken. I plus plus. Do it will be repeated until swapping is done. If the first condition is checked, right, a of I is greater than a of I plus 1, the next adjacent element will be checked, just like our previous here swapping. See, with a cursor I am showing every swapping. It's a bubble with a bubble rounding, right, bubbling, and we will sorting. So it's bubble sort. Very simple. The title, swap a of I and comma a of I plus 1. This should be swapped. If it is, this condition is true, then new n next element I plus 1, next element will be taken. Same like it will be repeated in the for loop. See here, this is if, right, this is for loop and this is if condition. If is a condition, this is a condition, and this is loop. This will be repeated. Next we have taken new element while n is greater than 1, end the procedure. So then we find the last element, then we will stop the procedure of algorithm technique, then we will get this answer. We will stop this algorithm, right? If you want any study material, you can ping me. This is my personal mobile number. I am giving to you 9849181923, 9849181923. Right, note down, WhatsApp me or call me if you have any doubts. Ping me if you want any study material, any other material also, lab programs, theory related lab programs also, you can WhatsApp me. All the best for your exam, because exams are very near. I am shooting like this. All the best for your exams.